Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by physically connecting both monitors so Mac OS can see them. Plug the cables, choose the monitor input, and power each screen. Once done, open System Settings and go to Displays. Press Option to reveal Detect Displays if one monitor doesn't appear. You do this because a direct, recognized connection prevents software guesswork. Make sure to use tested adapters and firm cable seating. That avoids intermittent signal loss and speeds the next steps. Now you arrange how the screens work together. In Displays, uncheck mirror displays so each monitor shows different content. This creates an extended desktop. Drag the on-screen rectangles to match the monitor's physical positions. This aligns mouse movement and window dragging. To decide where apps and the dock open, drag the white menu bar to the screen you want as primary. You do this because alignment and primary selection control workflow flow and where new windows appear. Finish by fine-tuning each display's resolution and scaling so text and UI elements are comfortable. Different panels may need different settings. Enable night shift or color profiles per monitor to match tones. Once done, test dragging apps between screens and open a video to confirm expected behavior. If a monitor shows no signal, make sure the adapter matches the port standard, swap cables to isolate the fault, restart the Mac. And as a last resort, perform an SMC reset. This usually clears stubborn hardware handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.